The Stealthburner is a DIY, dual-drive, direct printhead from VoronDesign. It is lighted by 3 LEDs and gives a unique design to your printer. Today, the Stealthburner is available to more printers through user-contributed mods. Here it runs on our artillery printer. It is spectacular at night. The most difficult stage in Stealthburner's assembly is integrating the LEDs in the front cover. There are 2 ways to prepare your LED wiring assembly: DIY or buy a pre-wired and pre-soldered LED wiring harness. If you go the DIY road, you'll need to buy RGBW LED PCBs and solder them. In total, there are 15 soldering points and installation of a connector. A ready-to-install LED wiring harness makes the assembly easier, especially if you don't have decent soldering equipment. On the one I've got, soldering was very well done, but I had to change the connector. I reviewed this product on my blog. Check it out for more details.